Good morning dear students and welcome back in our video lecture with the same topic acids, bases and salts. So students, we have studied about types of acids, types of bases and types of salts, and also we have discussed about many examples of the so tell me, what are the types of acids? Yes, organic acids and inorganic or mineral acids are the types of acids. Then bases are of two types, organic bases and inorganic bases, and salts are of three types, acidic salt, basic salt and neutral salt. All these points we have discussed in my previous video lecture. So student, now we are going to study interesting topic in your interesting point in your topic, that is pH scale. So we have discussed about pH paper and universal indicator. Also we have discussed about many types of indicators like litmus, China rose, turmeric, methyl orange, methyl red, phenolphthalein. But student, you know, all these indicators are used only to identify whether the given solution is acidic or basic. We cannot find out the strength of given solution, the strength of given acid or base by using these indicators. Means we cannot identify the given acid or base is strong or weak by using these indicators. And in this case, the pH paper and universal indicators come to help us. Means pH paper and universal indicators are the two indicators. They are used to identify how much or how these solutions are acidic or basic, how acidic or basic a given solution is. That we can identify by using this pH paper or universal indicator. And the result for pH paper and universal indicator is same. Also that point we have discussed in my previous video lecture. So the pH scale is used to find out how acidic or basic a solution is. And the pH of solution is the measure of hydronium ion concentration in the solution. So what is formula for calculating pH? pH is equal to negative logarithm of H plus ion, that is hydronium ion, minus log into bracket H plus ion. This is formula for calculating pH. So by using this pH scale, we can find out the exact nature of the solution. What is the strength of the given solution? So this pH scale ranges between 0 to 14. Remember these things, student. What is the range of pH scale? 0 to 14. If the pH of given solution is between 0 to 7, then the solution is acidic. If the pH of given solution is in between 7 to 14, then the given solution is basic in nature. And if the pH of solution is exactly 7, then the given solution is neutral in nature. I again repeat, if the pH of solution is less than 7, then it is acidic in nature. If the pH of solution is greater than 7, then it is basic in nature. And if the pH of solution is 7, then the solution is neutral in nature. And what is the pH scale range? It ranges between 0 to 14. Then for acidic solutions, when we just check the solution by using universal indicator or by using pH paper, the color obtained is shades of orange, red and yellow. For basic, we will get the shades of blue, purple. All these shades are related to basic nature. And if the color obtained is green, then the pH of solution is 7 and the given solution is neutral. So you can see in the picture how this pH scale ranges from 0 to 14, and what is the color obtained when we add universal indicator or pH paper into the given solution. So you can see in the diagram what are the different colors and what are the respective pH of the given solutions. Many examples are there like lemon juice, soft drink. We have discussed about soft drink. All the flavored soft drinks like Fanta, Mirinda, Coca, Pepsi, Cola, whatever, they all are acidic in nature. And when we are talking about plain soda or Eno, then they are basic in nature. Also we have discussed about coffee. Though coffee is bitter in taste, it is acidic in nature. Then lemon juice, milk, vinegar, these are the examples of acidic solutions. Also human saliva is acidic in nature. Then human stomach content is also acidic in nature. When we are talking about clean water or tap water, so that tap water is neutral, because water is neutral solution. It is neither acidic nor basic, so it shows 7 pH. But what happens nowadays, because of industrialization, increasing pollution, what happens, the pH of water in river, pond, it becomes slightly acidic because of these pollutants and increasing pollution. Okay, acid rain that we have discussed in my previous video lecture. So sometimes that rainwater shows acidic pH because of this pollution. But what is exactly pH of water? It is 7, because water is neutral solution. When we are talking about seawater, detergent, soap solution, your hand wash, then bleach we use for cleaning, all these are basic in nature. Okay, students, I hope you got all points related to pH scale. What is pH scale? pH scale ranges between 0 to 14. And what are the examples of acidic pH and basic pH that you can see in the diagram? You can write, so you have to write down all these examples in your notebook. Okay, so what about human blood? So student, pH of human blood ranges between 7.35 to 7.45. remember this value. What is the pH of human blood? It ranges between 7.35 to 7.45. Means when we are talking about human blood, pH of human blood is neutral. Then what is the pH of human stomach contents? It is acidic, because we require some acids are just secreted by internal lining of our stomach to digest whatever we have eaten, that to digest that food material. Some acid gets secreted in the internal lining of stomach, that we will study in our next point. Okay, so today we have discussed about pH scale. This pH scale ranges between 0 to 14, and there are different shades of colors in between this 0 to 14. You can see in the diagram, all the shades of yellow, orange, reds are for acidic solutions. All the shades of blue, purple, these are for basic solutions, and when the color is green, then the solution is neutral in nature. So I hope you got all points related to pH scale and pH range, and different examples also we have discussed. So remember all the examples. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.